Good morning. Welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the Nifty technical view. A big question mark arising after the Nifty setup is, will Nifty hold or will it fold? Nifty end of the day charts indicates a weaker bias until a close above 18,740 in coming sessions. Open interest data too suggests that Nifty to resist around 18,740, 18,760. Trend remains weak. Any break below 18,460 may slide towards 18,280, 18,200. As of now, Nifty range would be 18,280, 18,745. Major supports placed around 18,200 zones. Bank Nifty charts too trading in a range. Break and close below the trend line 43,400 will invite Bank Nifty towards 42,400, 42,000 zones. Thanks for watching. Do like, share. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.